6x brighter than OEM light bulbs, built-in high-power SMD LED chips to maximize rear-end illumination. Fully plug-play. Simply remove original T10 bulbs, connect the plug. Done. Direct fit replacement. Identical to OEM specification. No modification or trimming needed. Say approved. Certified. This assembly is 100% street legal. It meets all regulatory requirements in USA, Canada. Purchase with confidence. 90 days warranty to cover any defects, damage during transit to ensure 100% satisfaction. In-house US tech support, always ready to troubleshoot and help on any concern. Top reviews from the United States. Very bright. I got this after noticing mine were out and can say they are extremely bright. I can see them in my mirrors now.